the production of 4-methylcyclohexene and 4-methylcyclohexanol. We're going to do it. The reaction has to be heated, but here again, the product distills over at a lower temperature than the reagents do. So we're actually going to do it as reaction distillation all in one step. Also, I decided that since it's only one of us and not a whole classroom full, that I'm going to double the amount of the reagents that I'm using, so it'll be a little easier for you to see. So I've pre-measured 15 mLs of the 4-methylcyclohexanol. Four mLs of the 85% phosphoric acid. Roll away. And then I have not pre-measured just 1 ml of the sulfuric, but I have my pipette here, and here again, 20 drops is about a ml. Now, being concentrated, it's pretty thick, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 20. And here again, it doesn't have to be exact. Because of the first part of it, I'm going to add one more drop. Okay? And then I'm going to set this over to the side. Notice I am not putting the sulfuric back in the stock container. I already have my distillation set up. And in fact, the water's already running through it because I've got the Organic 2's reflux going on next door. So you can actually see, if I hold this up very close to the camera, that we have 2 layers, okay, already. Okay. The alcohol is not particularly soluble in the aqueous acid, but there you go. All right, I'm going to raise the hot heating mantle and get it started. Okay, our distillation is done. You can see how absolutely dark black and thick that the source flask still is. That's all the acids, etc., that are still around. And then as far as my receiving flask, there it is. Hopefully that's most, if not all, just product. Let me go ahead and get this down so it doesn't fall, and it can cool then. That way. Now the PDF says to add a couple of mils of saturated sodium chloride. This is in case any water has distilled over. It will be pulled out of the organic by that saturated solution. It doesn't need to be much, just enough. So basically what we're doing is we're doing a separation, an extraction, but just on a very small scale. So now I'm going to take that right back out by pipetting the bottom layer off. Keep raising it up so I can see. And now it's small enough of a layer that the pipette is going to start pulling up, absolutely pulling up product. So now it's off to the instrument room for a drying agent. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll see how we're doing.